Good afternoon, class. Today I will be describing to you all how to set up a meeting on Zoom. So the first thing I would like to instruct for us to do is to Google Zoom.com and click the first link. It should say zoom.us. And as soon as you click that link, you're gonna see some options that say host a meeting. It's in the top right of the page, right under where it says request a demo. It says host a meeting. You would do a meeting with video on, and the first thing that pop up is a sign-in method. So you would sign in with your Zoom email, and once you sign in, I'm signing in at the moment. Once you sign in, you will be given options. One moment, I keep entering the wrong password here. Try to make this as efficient as possible. Okay, now that I'm signed in, okay, now you would click host a meeting again with video on now that you're signed in, and your computer should automatically allow you to launch meetings. So as mine is doing, because I use Zoom on a daily for class. And so right now, it's allowing me to set up a Zoom on my computer. Okay. Okay, now it's asking me to sign in on Zoom. Okay. Okay, and on the Zoom website, it should say something like schedule a meeting. And so it's giving me this options because this is my first time. The date and time I will schedule my meeting is for 2:30 p.m. to 3 o'clock p.m. Today for the 27th. And as you're scheduling a meeting, under the taskbar is giving you, it says topic, date and time, and meeting ID. And you have the ability to create a personal meeting ID, not create one is already given on the Zoom app itself, but you're able to make a personal meeting ID. And if you want a passcode to be available, it allows that to be the case. And so on and so forth. It will allow you to just schedule a meeting, and you're the host, so you put your video on, participants on, and if you want this to be scheduled on your calendar, if somebody were to join, then you would specify that, and then you just save, and then it automatically sets up a meeting for you in Zoom.